Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can quickly and easily hide your Apple ID on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, and don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. So let us get started with you. And open up on your iPhone to your phone settings. And then you'll need to scroll down a little bit here. Select Screen Time. Next, also swipe down here. Select this option right here. Next, swipe down and select the Account section. And as you can see here, Allow is always enabled by default. If you want to hide your Apple ID account, then click Don't Allow. If you have a password for your phone, then, as in my case, you'll be asked to enter it. Then go back to the settings, or you can exit and go back into them. And as you can see, you can still see your Apple ID account here. But you can't go into it because this account is now grayed out, which means that the information is hidden. The only thing you can find out about your Apple ID is just what it's called, nothing more. So, as you can see, all the settings are hidden. And in order to reverse everything back to the way it was, to allow your Apple ID to be viewed, also reverse the screen time and so on, as I've shown you before. This is how, friends, you will be able to hide your Apple ID on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful and useful, friends. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.